beauties, it's your girl Daisy, and I'm back with another hair. Some of the baby hairs that I have here, I did pre-cut them previously when I did my review, and then I wore it for a little bit. I would say I wore this wig for about 2 weeks straight because this is one of my favorite wigs, but you know I do a lot of reviews, so I didn't keep this wig on my head. So continuing to just pull out those baby hairs, and I'm just cutting them off a little bit because I just found that it's easier to style your baby hairs if they're a little bit shorter, so it looks more natural. And just watch me slay my baby hairs. Now first, I didn't get to mention I used Gots to Be Glued in the black bottle. I put like a little layer of that glue on the parts that I know I would do the swoop. So just each little section, just put a little bit of glue so you don't have excess glue. As you see, I'm just, it's still, the glue is still on my pointer finger, and I'm just dabbing it in a little bit where I feel that it's needed. And just keep putting the swoops in there and brush back the hair that is not the baby hairs. So here is the little baggie that it came in. This is one of my favorite wigs, hands down. You guys been asking me for top 5 wigs, and this is definitely one of them, especially how the curl pattern is. It's a deep wave wig and it's curly. It's so bomb. It looks wet, but I'm telling you guys, this is dry. Like, it's crazy. This is so cute. Look at this freaking hairline. Bomb. The more I do reviews, it helps me realize what is the best part of a wig. So the key to getting a natural look is the lace. As you can see, this looks like it's just really grown out of my hair. It's crazy. The hairline, bomb. I didn't have to pluck it. Came pre-plucked. Looks really good. Like, I laid the heck out of this wig. It's crazy. So you always want to get like a transparent lace. So I am like brown skin. So if you're my color, you want to stick with like a light brown lace or you don't want to go medium brown, because I have a lace that was medium brown and I was getting ready to actually style it, and I was like, yo, this looks kind of crazy. The lace is just showing through. But you know why? It's because it was like medium dark brown. So you don't want to get like a brown lace unless you're darker than me. But if you're like my color or lighter, make sure you get a light brown or a transparent lace. Now this color is 1B. It's so cute. I really love these curls. It's crazy. Let me show you guys the back of this wig. So this hair is 14 inches long. If you pull it down, it comes right above my bust, and it looks so good. I love this wig. Like, why haven't I been wearing it all the time? I wore it for like 2 weeks, and then I get so much hair that I just started wearing other wigs. And then I put this back on and it was like, yo, this is really one of the best wigs that I got. This curl pattern, this is really dry. Like, my hands are not wet. This is crazy. It looks so good, because usually when hair dries, sometimes you could really tell the curl pattern. Once it dries, it gets like all dried out sometimes. But that's why we stick to my curly routine. So if you guys don't know, I always start off with the water bottle mixed with conditioner. And what else do I use? Oh, this is a must-have. It's Cantu. It's curling mousse, so it helps define the curls. And I also use some gel, like it's called World of Curls gel. You can find at your local beauty supply store. But lately, I just been using these two, and it's been working. Another way to define the curls is you want to like let it air dry how the curls naturally would be on like a mannequin. So let me show you guys what I use. I actually use this canvas head. It kind of has some colors on here because I've been dyeing some wigs. But if you use this or a styrofoam head, just put your wig on top of here and then, you know, do the parting space, because I did not part it myself. Like when I put it on my wig, I just parted it on this canvas head and I styled it. And sis is ready to slay. Hey. So I really like this wig. You guys can really tell because tomorrow is my boyfriend's birthday. So today we're going out to celebrate it. And you know I gotta look cute because we gonna have these pictures forever. We supposed to be together forever. So I wanna make sure I look cute, and Hairspells is definitely helping me do so. So this is 100%. I didn't tell you guys, if you guys haven't already, check my original review. I am gonna have that in the description box. But this hair is 130% density. It's 14 inches long, and it's the wave curly hair. Looks so good. I really love this wig. You could tell I'm dripping. So I hope you guys like this updated review. If you did, please show your girl some support. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And also hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.